Hi, I'm Ashley, corporate chef, and I've been in industry for the past 14 odd years. Today we'll be using Habanero product. I plan to make a simple dish for kids, which is your chicken strips marinated in peri peri sauce. And I'll show you how easy it is to use the product and make a lovely dish out of that. Very simple ingredients. Just going to add a little salt and black pepper as well. Just about a tablespoon, as you can see, is more than enough. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you want to cook it. As you can see, the pan is already kept on preheat. Just going to add a dash of oil. This can be served as is, as a quick snack.